Okay, okay. We ride. Peasant walker demonstration.
And from your left joystick, so hit the panel above your head.
Where are we headed?
To a hotel of some sort.
Why?
Our Airbnb was not cleaned because they thought we were coming tomorrow. This is the wrong bridge?
This is the
So, quick update on what happened last night. They got us a hotel room, pretty nice hotel. We've now left our bags there until 3 when we will be able to go back to our Airbnb. And yeah.
Our Airbnb.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Airbnb. And we're called good. Yikes. Getting some sandwiches now. We are currently in Mel. Sorry, I don't know all the names.
Santa Crochet.
Santa Crochet. Feels beautiful. We're getting some Sammys now. It's been a good day. Pretty warm.
A little warm.
Back
Did you get a
sweat.
video of my back sweat?
I did get a video of your back sweat, and we will be showing that.
All right.
It is a sandwich. It is. Sheesh. Very good. So it just got done raining here. Feels good.
We were able to check into our flat.
True, we're back in our Airbnb now, or not back, but finally in our Airbnb now.
And it is.
Yeah, it's nice.
I like it.
You like
We'll
it?
do a tour when we get back.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go get some gelato, and then Mel and I are gonna head up to, Mel, help me out.
Piazza Michelangelo.
Yes.
You can see it from here, actually.
Yeah, and then
Already
dinner
thousands
tonight.
of people.
Day 2 of exploring Florence. Time to get some cappuccinos. Okay, just got done with my first ever cappuccino and it was frickin' delicious.
We went to my favorite place when I was studying abroad, and they recognized me. Just kidding. Terry's waiting in line for us.
To go to the Boboli Garden. Boboli Gardens. And then to the markets today. So that should be fun. I kind of want to get a couple belts. So we'll see how that goes.
Peace.
Bye. We've made it to the top, I think, of the bubbly gardens.
I'm hot.
I am also very warm. And Mel is gonna go search for a map to see exactly where we go. Update, it's very warm. We're getting Gusta pizza and lots of water.
It's like 95 degrees.
Yes,
No breeze.
none.
Mark, do you want to climb up the bell tower? It's really hot.
It's very warm.
Shit.
Just got done from our walk up and down the bell tower. We very sweaty.
Yeah, it's like 90 degrees, no air movement. But it was nice. Worth it?
It was good for the views, and there'll definitely be some shots from up above. There's the rest. Oh, just my plate.
Thanks, Mom.
Siamo in arrivo a Monterosso.
There, it looks down into this little cove. It's really pretty.
Coming back from our day at Cinque Terre, and we had like 3 minutes in between trains
Missed
to
it.
go to Florence, and we missed it.
But everybody else did too.
Yeah, everyone missed it. So now we gotta wait 20 minutes, and then we'll be in Florence for some dinner.
Last night in Florence.
Yeah, last night in Florence, dinner, and then cards in line. And then tomorrow we drive to Tuscany. One last cappuccino in Florence.
So on to leave.